Now you see the example number 19. Prepare branch account in the books of head office. Okay, they asked to prepare branch account in the books of head office. First item, goods sent to branch. First item is goods sent to branch. It comes on the branch account debit side. Second item, opening stock, comes on the branch account debit side. Closing stock, branch account credit side. Debtors at the beginning. Debtors at the beginning means opening debtors. Branch account debit side, first item. Debtors at the end. Debtors account closing balance comes at the credit side. Cash sale, branch account credit side. Cash received from debtors is called collection, branch account credit side. Then cash sent to bank, cash sent to branch for expense, salary and rent. Inner column, debit side, branch account. Okay. Then goods are sent to branch at cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25% means 25% is loading, 100 is cost price, then 100 plus 25 is equal to 125 invoice price. Write the equation, form the two equations, then you write off the loading. Okay. In this problem, branch account only you prepare. You prepare only branch account because debtors account full detail is given. Opening balance of debtors is there, closing balance of debtors is there, collection from debtors is there. Then there is no need of debtors accounts. Therefore, you directly open the branch account and fill the information and ascertain the answer. This is a very simple problem. Okay, you solve it. Then come to the example number 20. Calico printers. Calico printers opened a branch at Bijapur on 1/4/1997. They opened branch on 1/4/97. From the following particulars, prepare branch account. Prepare branch account and find out the profit or loss. Okay. They asked to prepare branch account. You asked to prepare branch account. Therefore, you prepare the branch account. So, first item, goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. First item is goods sent to branch. It is invoice price, so it comes on the branch account debit side. So you take this item on the branch account debit side, first item. Okay. Second, cash sale. Cash sale comes on the branch account credit side. Credit sale, debtors account debit side. Okay. Then collection on ledger. Collection on ledger means collection from debtors. Collection on ledger means collection from debtors. It comes on the branch account credit side, debtors account credit side. Discount allowed, debtors account credit side. Bad debt, debtors account credit side. Cash sent to branch for expense, branch account debit side. Okay. Then closing stock at invoice price is given. This is the branch account credit side. And in this problem, you have to prepare two accounts. First account is debtors account. First, you open the debtors account and write the debit side items and credit side items. Whenever you record all the debit side items and credit side items, then you will come to know the difference. That the difference is called as closing debtors. Okay, closing debtors you have to ascertain. In this problem, closing debtor is not given. Okay, this is the newly opened branch. This is a newly opened branch. Therefore, there is no opening balance. ಇದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ. ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಐಟಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. There is no opening balance because branch is started this year. In this year you started the branch, therefore there is no opening balance. Okay. Then PT cash expense, PT cash balance is there, PT cash account. So cash sent for salary and wages is there, so PT cash problem will not arise. So you open the branch account and thereafter open the debtors account, enter the transaction in the debtors account and ascertain the closing debtors and take that closing debtors to branch account. This is the important one. And next is goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch at 20% above selling price. 20% is there, 20% means it is loading, and above selling price means that selling price means invoice price. Invoice price. So 20% above invoice price. So 20 is the loading and 100 is the invoice price. 100 is the invoice price. Then cost price is 80. Cost price is 80. So invoice is 100, cost is 80, loading is 20. Then form the equation. Thereafter you find the loading equation for removal of loading. Okay. Then this is also a simple problem. In this problem, you have to prepare debtors account for the purpose of knowing the closing balance of debtors. Knowing the closing balance of debtors. This is the point you remember, and prepare the branch account and branch debtors account. And one more thing, you be careful about the opening balance. There is no opening balance because branch is newly started. Branch is newly started, therefore no opening balance. Clear? Okay. Come to the next problem. Example number 21. Example number 21. In this 21 number example, a head office in Mangalore has a branch at 1 hour. Head office in Mangalore, branch is at 1 hour, to which goods are invoiced by head office, cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25% means 25% is loading. 25 is the loading, 100 is the cost price, then invoice price is 125. Invoice price is 125. You write the equation, then ascertain the loading equation. Find the loading equation, thereafter solve the problem. Okay. Then first is opening stock. First point is opening stock. 1/1/2002 opening stock, invoice price is there. So it is the first item on the debit side. Opening debtors, debtors account debit side, branch account debit side. Goods sent to branch account debit side. Okay, branch account debit side. Then next is cash sale. Cash sale is branch account credit side. Cash received from customer, this is also branch account credit side. Goods returned to head office. Goods returned to head office is the branch account credit side item. Branch account credit side item. Okay. Then next is checks received from head office, means cash received by branch or cash sent to branch for expense. Wages and salary, rent and rates, sundry expenses. These three items you take on the debit side of branch. Branch account debit side. The next is stock on 31st/12/2002. It is the branch account credit side. Debtors. Debtors on 31st/12/2002. It comes on the branch account credit side. Debtors account credit side. Balance carried down. Okay. Then liability for expense is there. This is the liability. So this balance you take on the debit side. You take this on debit side, two balance carried down. Remember this. This is the two balance carried down on the debit side. Once again, I am repeating. Liability for PT expenses. Liability for PT expense is the liability account closing balance. So you take this item on the debit side, two balance carried down. Under that you write liability for PT cash 550. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ನೋಡು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೆದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್, liability for expense 550. Fourth item bariri, credit side 3 items bariri, then remove the loading and ascertain the answer. They ask to branch account here. Okay, they ask to branch account here. So opening debtors is given, closing debtors is given, then cash received from debtors is given. Branch account is debtors account is not essential. Debtors account is not essential for branch. Okay, for branch, debtors account is not essential. Directly you prepare branch account. And if you prepare trading profit and loss account, at that time, if you prepare trading profit and loss account, remember this point, at that time, you requires debtors account, because credit sale is not given in the problem. Credit sale is not given in the problem. Therefore, you prepare debtors account for final account. For trading profit and loss account, debtors account is essential. But for branch account, debtors account is not essential. Not essential. Clear? Then if you prepare the final account, then you take liability for expense 550 is there. Liability for expense 550, you add in the sundry expense. In the P&L account debit side. P&L account debit side, you take rent and taxes, sundry expenses inner column, add outstanding liability for PT cash, PT expense. You add it. This is the point you remember. Okay. If you prepare the final account. In the branch account, PT cash expense comes on debit side as two balance carried down. In the final account, P&L account debit side, you write outstanding liability for PT cash. This is the point you remember. Okay. And this problem also you solve. This is also simple for example. Then you come to the next example. You see this problem. Arya Brothers Bangalore have a branch at Belgaum. Their branch is at Belgaum. Head office send goods to branch at cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25% means 25 is loading. Then cost plus 25% means cost is 100. Cost price 100. Then 100 plus 25 is equal to invoice price. You form the equation. Okay, clear. Then particulars of the branch, particulars of balance with the branch 1/1/2003, 31st/12/2003. 1/1/2003 are the opening balances. 31st/12/2003 are the closing balances. Okay, you remember this closing balances. Then opening balance is stock, debtors, petty cash. Opening balance is stock, debtor, petty cash comes on the debit side. Closing balance, stock, debtors comes on the credit side. Petty cash is question mark. You have to calculate it. You calculate the petty cash balance. 90 is the opening balance. Cash received is 280. In the problem, 90 plus 280 minus petty cash expense. Petty cash expense is 240. 240. So I think the balance is 130. Closing balance 130. You prepare petty cash account for this purpose. Opening balance debit side you write. For petty cash closing balance, you prepare petty cash account or write the equation. Or you write the equation. Clear? Then provision for bad debt is there. Provision for bad debt comes on debit side. Remember this. मतलब closing balance ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂತ closing balance ಬರ್ದರೆ ಯಾರ್ರಿ closing balance ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That amount is given under the closing balance. That given under the closing balance, that is not a closing balance. This is the adjustment at the end of the year. Provision for doubtful debt is the adjustment at the end of the year, therefore given below 31st/12/2003. Remember this. Okay, so you take 1,500 on the debit side, fourth item. Opening balance, closing balance, clear. Then remittance is from head office to branch. This is the third item. To bank. Under to bank, you write 4 items. Under to bank, you write 4 items. One is salary, second is rent, third is petty expense. Sorry, third is other expense, fourth is petty cash. You write 4 items. Take the total to outer column. Take the total to the outer column. Then goods sent to branch at invoice price. Branch account debit side, second item. Goods returned by branch comes on branch account credit side. Second item. Cash sale is there. Branch account credit side, first item. Collection is not given here. Collection is not given in this problem. Therefore, you prepare debtors account. In this problem, you prepare debtors account for collection from debtors. And you calculate closing petty cash. This is the task you have to do. In madbeku, petty cash closing balance tegibeku onnedu. Ernedu collection from debtors salvagi debtors account hakbeku. Remember this. Okay. Cash sale, credit sale goes to debtors account, credit side, debit side. Sales return is there. You take this on the debtors account, credit side. Bad debt, debtors account, credit side. Allowance, debtors account, credit side. Petty cash expense, petty cash account, or it goes to equation. Istu bariri. Barid nantar. After writing the debit side item, credit side item, you remove the loading. Debit side to loading, credit side to loading you remove. Then whatever balance comes, that is the general P&L account, profit or loss. Okay. This is also simple problem. I dictated, you solve it. Okay. 22 number problem you solve. Is again important is the debtors account prepared. You prepare debtors account to find out the collection. And you find out the closing petty cash. Okay, this is the important. And everything is direct. Write the equation, remove the loading. Clear? This is the 22 number. This is the 22 number problem. The next problem, 23. This is the 23 number problem. A trader at Gulbarga has a branch at Hospet. He is having the branch at Hospet, Which the following are charged out at cost plus 25%. Goods are charged out at cost plus 25% means goods are transferred or goods are sent to branch at cost plus 25%. Cost plus 25% means loading is 25, cost is 100. Cost is 100. Then invoice price is 125. 125. On the basis of that, you have to prepare the account. Removal of loading. Then the branch keeps its own sales ledger. Branch keeps its own sales ledger and remit all the cashes received by daily to head office. Cash is paid to head office. This is no problem. All expenses are borne by head office. Head office gives cash for expense. So you see the transactions of the branch as follows. Okay. Branch stock 11 is there. Opening balance comes on debit side. Branch PT cash 11-2006. Opening balance comes on branch account debit side. Branch debtors opening comes on branch account debit side. Debtors account debit side. Okay. Then furniture is there. Furniture branch account debit side. Opening balance. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance is the asset. Prepaid insurance is the asset. Branch account debit side. Branch account debit side. Then outstanding salary is there. Outstanding salary is a liability. Outstanding salary liability, you take that on the credit side. By balance brought down. Now, mind on problem modern. Ali either same it. Either same it to ali creditor and the kottidam. Creditor and the kottidam na nil kottidoni debit side credit side bardin. Ali creditor ittu illenite outstanding salary. Prepaid insurance asset debit side ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. Outstanding salary ilturi branch account credit side ಬರ್ರಿ. Branch account credit side ಬರ್ರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stock, PT cash, debtors, furniture, prepaid insurance are the opening assets. Are the opening asset comes on debit side. Outstanding salary is the liability comes on credit side. This is the point. Balance is completed. Goods sent to branch is the second item in the branch, debit side. Cash remitted by head office to branch is there. This is the third item on the branch account debit side. Branch account debit side, third item to bank. Under that, you write salary, rent, insurance, PT cash. You write these 4 items. The total of these 4 items is 32,600. Total is given in the problem. You write in the inner column and take to the outer column. Third item. Goods returned by the branch comes on the branch account credit side. Cash sale, cash received. Cash sale and cash received is the branch account credit side item. Branch account credit side item. Okay. Then closing balances are given. Stock, PT cash, debtors. Stock, debtors, PT cash. These balances are given. Prepaid insurance is given. And you take all these 4 items. You take all the 4 items. By balance carried down. And opening you are taken 5 items. Therefore, closing should be 5 items. And you take closing balance of stock, closing PT cash, closing debtors, prepaid insurance, closing. You take. After that, you write furniture. Furniture depreciate 10%. So 50,000 is the opening balance of furniture. In the 50,000, you deduct 10%. 10% means 5,000. You deduct 5,000. Whatever balance remains, that is furniture closing balance. Furniture closing balance. Okay. Closing balance of furniture. Clear? Then in this problem, there is no need of debtors account. There is no need of debtors account because opening debtors is there, closing debtors is there, collection is there. So there is no need of debtors account. need of debtors account. Clear? There is no need of debtors account. Then next is you have to PT cash. PT cash closing is also given. PT cash closing is also given. There is no need of PT cash account. Okay, PT cash account is also not required. Only one account you prepare, that is the branch account. Branch account. Branch account one the hakri. Then after writing these items, debit side 3 items, credit side 3 items, you remove the loading. You remove the loading by application of equation. By application of equation, you remove the loading. Depreciation is separately shown outside the question. Because of line illa ant tilkondu side bardhen depreciation. Depreciation hakri branch account hakri. Okay. These are the problems based on cost price and invoice price. Cost price and invoice price method. And these 24 problems are based on first and second method. So my request is you solve all these 24 problems. You solve all these 24 problems by first method and second method. By first method and second method. First method and second method in the ivella problem anna bidisri. Tita. Branch account kedda problem naga branch account bidisri. ಆನಂತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ತೀತಾ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪೈಲಾ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎರಡನೇ ತರ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ opening closing debtors and collection from debtors are required. If these items are not given, you prepare debtors account. And regarding PT cash opening, closing, and cash received from head office for PT cash. These three are required. If these three are not there, you follow the equation. Okay. Then in case of final account method, what is required? In the final account method, credit sale is required. Credit sale is required. If credit sale is not given, you prepare debtors account in the final account method. And PT cash expense is not given, you prepare PT cash account. Expense is required. In the second method, what is required? Credit sale and PT cash expenses are required. These two are not required in the first method. Idun sariyagi ನೆನಪಿಡುವರು. Credit sale PT cash expense ಎರಡನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಪೈಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And all these problems from problem number 19 to 24, I explained the problem number 19 to 24. You solve these problems and upload. Okay, I'll solve problem number 24 and upload tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll upload problem number 24. And till tomorrow you solve the all problems. And anyone solves all the problems, you send all the problems 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Problem number 19 to 24 problems you solve. Problem number 19 to 24 means 6 problems you solve in the today night. And by tomorrow 12 o'clock, tomorrow 12 noon, you send those problems to my WhatsApp or classroom. I'll see who is expert. We are expert in noting. And I'll send the solution for 24 number problem. Solution for 24 number problem by tomorrow evening, not today. ಇದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಜೆ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ? 9 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸಾರಿ 19 to 24. 19 to 24 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಈ 6 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎರಡೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. 6 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎರಡೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಿ ನಾಳೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆದಾಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ನಾನು 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. With this, the first method and second method completed, and third method is stock and data system. I will take that on Monday. On Monday, I will take the third method of accounting. Okay, thank you.